So this is a Cuckoo clock by the Regula Cuckoo clock company from the Black Forest of Germany, and yeah, this is it. It's nice and small, really good clock. One day, there's its pendulum, and I'll show you the movement next. Take this off. There. No jewels. Regula. Made in Germany. And a bunch of other stuff. This is the cuckoo going off. Yeah, that was on 12 o'clock over the front. Now I'm going to put the back on and show you what it's like with the gong. Really makes a difference. Weight's running down, and to wind it up, you just pull the chain in. Take it back up like that. Here's the cuckoo bird, a close-up of it. Yeah, it's actually wood. It's not plastic like most of these newer ones are. Another thing I also like about this one is it's not like super fast like most cuckoo clocks that are newer, because the new ones just go so fast. Well, that's all I have to say for this video. I hope you enjoyed this cuckoo clock. It's one of my favorites. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.